Starshipit integrates seamlessly with your Magento store so you can manage and fulfill your orders in one place. In this tutorial, we'll run through how to set up and test your integration. Integrating your Magento store will allow you to automatically import your orders and write back updates and tracking during your order fulfillment process. Our Magento integration also supports live shipping rates at checkout. To begin integrating, log into your Magento account. Go to System, then User Roles. Click Add New Role. The role name can be anything you like. Enter your Magento password in the password field. Click into the Role Resources tab. Under Resource Access, select All. Click Save Role. Next, go to System, then All Users in the Permissions section. Click Add New User. The credentials for this user can be anything you like. Be sure to keep track of the email address and password that you use. Click into the User Role tab and select Starshipit. Click Save User. The new user should now appear in the list. Next, head into your Starshipit account. Go to Settings, then Integrations. Click Add New Integration, then select Magento 2 from the list. Click Enable Magento 2. Enter your store URL in the URL field. Under Username and Password, enter the details you just created in your Magento account. Status to import tells Starshipit which orders you'd like to import. The default is processing. Click Save, then test the integration. If the connection's working, you'll get a success message. Now your Magento store is integrated with your Starshipit account. Once an order is processed in Starshipit, the order will be fulfilled and updated with the tracking number in Magento. You can disable this write-back feature if required under Advanced Settings. Check for links in the video description and visit our knowledge base for more helpful tips and tutorials.